Hi guys, this is Vineetpandey, and as we have been already, fighting for this thing, I told you there are chances that NTA may play with students in the exam center. That actually happened. My last video, which was in Hindi language, there are hundreds of students who have commented about their own experience, which was really painful. Some of them couldn't appear in exams because the last minute of the change, the center got changed. Some of them couldn't attempt the exam because the computers didn't work, and most of them had to suffer to go through a mental torture because the paper, which was supposed to be started by 9 a.m., started by 11:15. Max students are seeing this. Then some big issues at certain centers of Allahabad. Some complaints are also from Northeast. Centers of Bangalore have some issues. There are 5 centers in Rajasthan. They also have some complaints. I suggest you that even if you also went through certain things, write down these things in comments, because I'm thinking to write a letter to UGC, not in the form of mail, this time a handwritten letter with some video links, and I will say that go through the comments of these students and verify these things. So comment whatever has happened with you. Now, there is a big information, and I am going to read this information for all of you. Please check that. There are some changes in the centers, and these centers will be either reconducting the exams, or they will have rescheduling of exams. So it's a notice, I am reading it for you. Rescheduling of UGC net December 2021 June 2022 merged shift 1. So first of all, only shift 1 they are rescheduling, but students face problems in shift 2 also. I know that shift 1 faced bigger problems, big issues, but that doesn't mean that shift 2 doesn't have any problem. They also faced. And in a democracy, we must listen to everyone, each and all. So the centers they are talking about, they are simply saying, due to technical issues, the examination scheduled 9th July, shift 1, could not be conducted at following exam centers. So certain centers where they are accepting they couldn't conduct it. First of all, what was the need of announcing the exam in a hurry when you didn't have proper dates? You said 8th of July, but you started from 9th of July. Then you divided exams in July and August. You could have taken all subjects in August only, but with a proper, smooth and functioning way. Now the centers are, please check your centers. There are 7 centers. KIPM College of Engineering and Technology, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Second is National Institute of Technology, Calicut, Kozhikode, Kerala. Third is United Institute of Technology, Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Fourth is JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Government Polytechnic, Munger, Bihar. Government Women's Polytechnic, Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Gyan Manjari Institute of Technology, Bhavnagar. So there are 7 institutes. They themselves have accepted that they couldn't function the exam, but it's more than 7. In my comments, I have found around 40 plus places, 40 plus, 40 se jada. If you and your center had issues, but these centers are not mentioned here, write in the comments, because I will forward this video to the professors and the experts of NTA and UGC. Primarily Mr. I don't want to name, but yes, we will forward it to Shadna Parasar ji. We will forward it to Surender ji. We'll also forward it to Vineet Joshi ji. So make sure you write down in the comment. NTA has decided to reschedule the examination in such instance. The revised date for the rescheduled examination will be uploaded shortly, along with the revised admit card for these candidates. The new date will be announced soon. The subject-wise, shift-wise schedule of phase 2 examination will be announced soon. So what they have done is they are saying that first of all, they are rescheduling the exams. Selected centers, 7 centers are there, some from Bihar, some from Allahabad, some from Bhavnagar, some from Kerala. Then they don't have any dates yet, so they are simply saying that stay connected. So what I strongly feel, all of these centers, their exam will be reconducted in the month of August. Now they won't do it. In August, they have approx 45 plus big subjects. So I am 100% sure that there also, either they will expand the dates or they can trouble the students with the same thing that has already happened. So I suggest you all be united, because this is, you know what, we fought for the last time, nothing happened. You know why? Because the students got divided in two parts. Some students were with us for the fight, others were motivated by teachers to focus on preparation, because they knew that if they don't focus on preparation, how will we get money? So all those coaching center people said, no, leave the fight, come to the class, pay the fees. That's why when you are divided, the enemy will win. You are united, you will win. So this time, you, your friends, whatever you have faced, write down in your comment your name, your roll number, your center name, your location. Write down these things. I don't care whether anyone else is fighting for you or not. I will fight. I have learned this thing in my life. I got these things polished in NCC to fight for the weaker one, and Delhi University standards. They have taught me to be the voice. So be the change you want to see in others. So if I have to be the voice to change the education system, I will definitely do it. All I need is your support, because friends, this is your fight. I am with you. Watch this video. Share this video in every WhatsApp, every Telegram, every Facebook group. Tag this. Put it on Twitter. #Chalao. Tell people that we are here. You know what? GNews channel was showing postponed NEET exam NTA. Why? Because NEET students are more than 25 lakhs. You are only 12-13 lakhs. So they are not showing you. Where is the media? Where is Mr. Ravish Kumar, NDTV? They don't even talk about you, because they are also counting numbers. You are only 12 lakhs. NEET students are 25 plus lakhs. So GNews was also showing this #postpone NEET NTA. We have to reach to that level. So take this video, post it on Twitter, go for postpone NET exam. Postpone NET, it's very important. You can also find me, Professor Vineetpandey, on Twitter, Professor Vineetpandey, author, on Instagram. Find me there. Let's be a voice together. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.